mean, I love getting out at like 7:30, 8 a.m. nowadays, but it's just so much colder in the morning before the sun's like fully out. It's brutal. Anyway, still psyched just to get out today because I've been working on a project for a while, testing out a bunch of different types of wheels, trying to get the perfect wheel for the type of skating I do. It's like mini ramp skating and a little bit of street. Something that'll be able to slide in like every surface. Set those up, gonna test them out a little bit. Alright, so right now this is the only thing in the sun, so that's what we're skating. I'm gonna warm up and then we'll try to think of a trick. Oh! Alright. I kind of had my phone balanced on this garbage on the tripod, trying to get a higher angle. Not the best idea because the wind blew it over, snapped the iPhone clip off the tripod here. Also, phone fell right in the mud, and this has happened before, so my screen is shattered. Now it just has a bunch of dirt lodged in the cracks, and yeah, not a good look. Alright, I'm just gonna get right to trying the trick. Sorry if it doesn't look too great from down there. Had to go old school and just balance it. Yeah, my hands are freezing. Oh yeah, I don't even think I told you guys. I'm gonna do switch big flip to pivot to regular, hopefully. See how that works out. All right, kind of close. Alright guys, I feel like I can get that one, but I'm gonna switch it up and just try switch 3 flip to front side 5-0 fakie. I feel like I have a better shot of getting that one, so kick that around. Alright, so I ended up taking a brutal slam on the cold cement over there at the other skate park. And yeah, went over to check, make sure my phone was on. It wasn't recording. So went and bought a new phone clip and charged my phone, so we're good to go. I'm gonna get switch 3 flip, frontside pivot to fakie now. Hopefully nothing else goes wrong today. So happy I left out of the skate park. If I was falling like this on that cement, forget it. Alright, that was it. Just had to flick up a little more, like to get on top of the coping and go a little bit faster. I think we got it now. Got some nice clicking going on my knee. Nothing crazy, but definitely a little annoying. So a few of them I'm locking in, like on the inside of the ramp, which could look cool, but I'm really trying to get it like in frontside 5-0 and yank it in. See if we can do that. That's what I was talking about. I wouldn't be mad if I did one that way, but I'd like to get it on top. Today's not really working out for us. I just landed one perfectly and my phone died. So if you guys can't hear me right now, it's because I unplugged the microphone and I have the portable charger in. Yeah, gonna try to do it again. My legs are getting so tired right now. I think that was it. feel like I could do it cleaner though, but should I try one more? Alright, one more. Alright. The next two weren't as good as the first one, but my body's done. Can't even pick up my board. Alright, I'll see you guys next week.